Hi, this is going to be a 3-minute learning talk about the variation of microplastic contaminations in cities across Mississippi. To start off, microplastics are classified as any plastic particle less than 5 millimeters in diameter. They are ubiquitous throughout the environment and subsequently in the food and water we consume. The impacts of microplastics on organisms is an emerging research topic. However, most research suggests that the impacts of microplastic ingestion are likely negative. All forms of drinking water have been found to be contaminated with microplastics, including municipal, well, and bottled water. There are several different factors that could be contributing to the variations in microplastic contamination across those drinking water sources, such as the bottling process for bottled water or the distance traveled through the plastic piping for municipal water. However, there has been no studies in the region evaluating microplastic contamination from several different municipal water sources. To address the question of what the microplastic contamination in coastal Mississippi looked like, we collected 5 replicate water samples from 15 different cities throughout the coast of Mississippi. Each sample was collected in a 1-liter glass jar from the city hall in each respective city and immediately capped to prevent further contamination. The samples were filtered through a 0.45 micrometer filter, stored in a closed petri dish, and then evaluated for microplastics under a 40 times magnification. Each microplastic was counted and categorized as either a fiber, film, fragment, or bead. Every sample taken had a significant level of microplastic contamination, about 13 pieces per liter, with fibers accounting for about 94% of all microplastics. Upon seeing the results from our experiment, we saw that there was a general trend where samples from cities in the western portion of coastal Mississippi had the most microplastics, followed by the eastern and central portions. Future studies are needed, but research like this could help identify sources of microplastics and the water treatment practices that prevent them. I want to say a big thank you to all my co-authors on this project. I would also like to thank Mississippi State Coastal Research and Extension and the Mississippi-Alabama CREC.